perfect pressure, right? One shower head. I don't know what this is. Like deviating. Perfect pressure still. Okay. And no perfect pressure anymore. This one is just for fashion, I believe. For fashion. Okay. Oh, that's like clothes also. And this is also for fashion. My cat's pee has more power than this one. The pressure dropped. No pressure. Nothing. Pressure is back on this one. Basically, you only have one shower head. You don't have two. So let's just stop this one. See, the pressure is back in here. Some of them are deviating, some of them are not working on this one. If you can see the bottom side, it's completely like there is no pressure. There is only pressure on this side, but no pressure on here. It's like completely down. I don't really know what this is, but it's not fun. That's it. You basically get only one shower head working at a time. Two of them together, it feels like you're standing under the rain. Yeah. Well, I do not recommend this. You can find better ones for better prices that are functional. Additionally, same color, different color, lighter like a champagne, then comes to the brass and then becomes almost close here, and then boom, this is not the same color and definitely not the same color as that. So and it's a new shower. Our contractor left, so we cannot change it, and this was done professionally, so I didn't do it. So people say, you know, maybe you did it wrong. No, I didn't do it. It was a contractor, and he said that, you know, it's too late to change it, so we got stuck with it. Do not buy this.